Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today, let's take a quick look at Xiaomi's new watch series, the Xiaomi Watch S1. Do you remember they just released that Mi Watch Color 2 a few months ago? Maybe Xiaomi thought it's not colorful enough, so they released this S1 series. I think S means screw you, Watch Color 2. Just joking. Let's get on to the Watch S1. One thing I really like is the box. It's well made and looks premium. It feels hard but with a soft feeling, perfect to give someone as a gift. On the back, there are some highlights like sapphire glass with a Retina high-resolution screen, dual frequency satellite positioning, hundreds of sports modes, continuous SpO2 detection, super long battery life, wireless charging, Bluetooth phone call supporting, and NFC. I know this sounds boring, but it's a quick way to learn what's special about the product, right? Moving on, we see the watch. The one I was unboxing was the rubber strap model, which looks less fancy than the leather variant. We'll take a look at this later. Then we have another box for the user manual. It's Chinese. By the way, this watch currently only supports Chinese. No way to change the language. We also have the charging cable and the flat charging dock. To connect the Watch S1, just like other Xiaomi watches, we use Xiaomi Way app. Just tick this and that agreement, fill in a bunch of personal information, and bam! Shit, I couldn't connect. So then I turned off and on my phone's Bluetooth, and it's connected. See, if you have the same problem, try to solve it before asking me, folks. But I do welcome you to comment on my videos. And if you can subscribe and turn on the notification bell, that would be splendid. You definitely will be rich in the new year 2022. As for the Xiaomi Way app, I really don't want to show you too much. I guess I've shown it dozens of times. You can always go back to my previous Mi Watch videos to learn more if you are interested. Let's jump to the watch directly. Regarding the design of the Xiaomi Watch S1, I think it's quite standard. You got the sensors at the back, a speaker and mic on two sides, two physical buttons on the right side. Get to that in a second. The strap is swappable as you would expect. The most important part, of course, is the 1.43-inch AMOLED display. It has a 466 by 466 resolution, 326 ppi, and a 60 Hz refresh rate. It looks crystal clear and smooth. Speaking of that, let's go through the gesture controls very quickly. Swipe down from the homepage is the notification, swipe up are the shortcuts, which include DNA, raise to wake up screen, 5 minutes on display, and the settings, etc. You can set everything here. Swipe left, we have widgets for heart rate and sleep, then the weather, SpO2, etc. Music, Xiaomi voice assistant. Obviously it only supports Chinese language, but very funny, sometimes it understands English. And that's it. Not a big difference compared to other Xiaomi watches. As for the two physical buttons, when you press the upper one, you will enter the app interface. Lots of apps here, and when you swipe on this interface, it's just so fast and smooth. I didn't even experience one single hiccup. I love that. What's more is it supports third-party apps. Thumbs up for that. However, one thing I have to complain is when I try to rotate the button, the apps just don't follow the gesture. Hope they can add this feature in the future. As for the lower button, it's for sports modes. The Xiaomi Watch S1 supports up to 117 sports modes, including 19 professional sports modes. In addition, it can automatically detect and track activities such as outdoor running, indoor running, and walking. This is awesome. Further information on the Xiaomi Watch S1 is 580 water resistant and it packs a 470 mAh battery, which Xiaomi says lasts up to 12 days on typical use. The original Chinese price for the watch starts at $165 for the rubber strap model and $175 for the leather variant. Of course, if you buy from third-party platforms like my sponsor Geekbuying, then it will definitely be higher than these prices as they will add shipping and the labor fee, etc. To conclude, though I have limited time with the Xiaomi Watch S1, I think it's definitely the most premium watch in addition to its flagship smartwatch. It uses many lofty materials from the sapphire glass display, a calf leather strap, to the stainless steel body. You have all. As for functionality, it packs everything you've imagined for phone calls, music playing, abundant sports modes, third-party app supporting, health tracking, and super long battery life. What would you want from such a budget watch? What do you think? With that being said, I'm really looking forward to Xiaomi's second generation flagship watch. Just really curious to know what it will be. For sure, I will be the first one to give you the fastest hands-on when it's released. So please subscribe and stay tuned. I'm Sammy and I will see you in the next one.